Hey guys, this is Pastor Scott and Diana, and we're out here across the street from the Ten Commandments Park in Columbia Falls, Montana. Please keep us in prayer. We're having an extreme windstorm, like craziness out there. We're in an RV and this thing is rocking and rolling, shaking in the bacon. Wow. I don't know, you guys can see that out there. Or over here, maybe a little more, do you a little bit justice. Everything is knocked over. Our little, I don't know what the heck that is, little awning or whatever. It's drooping down pretty low. It's not normally like that. We had no idea. We knew there was rain coming this evening, but not craziness like this. It was so crazy you couldn't even see out before. So please keep us in prayer. I don't know if you guys can hear that at all. Let me see if you can go out here. Let's see. It's starting to mellow out a little bit now. Thank God. We just prayed Matthew chapter 4, verse 38 and 39, when Jesus rebuked the wind and said to the sea, "Peace, be still." So that's exactly what I prayed over this thing, but we were shaking. There was dust you couldn't even see, and the RV has just been, it's like dancing. It's crazy. Go on this side here. See if we can see those trees maybe. Can you guys see that at all? You hear that? Just put you up there. Yeah, we stay in an RV fifth wheel that the Lord had provided. And it's every little thing you can hear. That's just crazy out there. How about it? You guys can hear up here. And it's hot. Yeah, so anyway, I just ask that you guys keep us in prayer, just sharing some of the exciting things we get ourselves into as we travel around the world, preaching the gospel. And sorry for our messy house. We're pretty much always serving the Lord or out and about, so really isn't much time to clean or do anything like that. You see that? Pastor Scott and Diana checking out. Love you guys. Keep us in prayer. If you need anything at all, give us a call at 1-855-70-JESUS. Woohoo! It's a win party.